About a year and a half ago, I found myself in a very interesting position, and that was I was in need of a job after working for the same employer for over 30 years, and I had no idea where to start, what it was that I needed to prepare for. So I had heard about ProMark through some friends, and I contacted them, immediately was set up with a coach, and through that, she gave me the confidence that I needed. She taught me skills that I'd lacked. They have a CARS program, which is fabulous. Anybody thinking that they are going to get through an interview without having solid CARS stories is sadly mistaken. So do your homework with that. The people at ProMark are always available to help day and night with whatever you need. You can use them as a sounding board. They created great opportunities with questions to prepare you for what you can expect during your interview, and their follow-through was great. They have a lot of in-house materials that they can present for you. They offer numerous classes. It's another place for networking. That definitely gave me my in my current employer where I was. I got my networking through ProMark. And overall, it was just a great experience. I can't imagine having gone through the process without using ProMark.